Good morning everyone, so we look at another Invicta watch. Seems to be something I do quite a lot of. It's they are quite a popular brand. They do quite a lot of sort of nice designs, and they're quite desirable for people who really don't have a lot of money really to spend on watches but still want that contemporary design. So today we're going to be looking at the Invicta Speedway 20305. So initially look at the box. We've got this bright yellow box with these sort of sunlight rays almost coming from the corner. Invincible in detail embossing in the side, and the Invicta embossed logo in the top there. It's a simple folding lid really, revealing a full sort of yellow detailing inside. Warranty card just tucked in the top of the lid there. I don't like when they put lots of sort of paper wrapping inside it. Probably can't hear what I'm saying with all this noise. So here we go, this is the Invicta Speedway 20305. So we've got a 50mm case diameter, even though it looks bigger. We've got a 12mm case thickness. Retails around about £100. That's how much I think I got it for on Amazon. Uses a Japanese quartz movement, that's a VD53 caliber, and movement vendor is TMI. This is all information that's given by Invicta, so it's quite a bonus really to be told that information at the start, so I can answer some of the queries that might have started. And probably weighs around about 250 grams. There's quite a lot of weight to it, as you can see. It's quite hefty. It's quite a hefty watch, even compared to my Luminox. It's quite big. My Luminox is quite light though, very light in comparison. So yeah, let's have a look at the dial here. So we've got obviously quite a lot of detail going on. We've almost got like this granite style dial in the back here, pure black. Sorry about the ring light. It's anyway, I can sort of tilt it to get it to show. Got like this sort of granite style dial detailing going on here with obviously your hour markers going around here, minute markers just inside, and obviously a lot of orange detailing going on there as well. We've got a full 24-hour readout in the right hand side sub dial, and a chronograph in these other two sub dials here. Get fully luminous trittonite hands to the main hands themselves, funny enough. Let's have a look at that chronograph movement and see how good it is. There you go, so just that working down there. Doesn't have a hand or anything. The second hand here actually works as a second hand rather than a chronograph. And you've also got a date dial just sitting down between the 4 and 5 PM. Almost didn't notice that with how busy the watch is. It's a simple wind back function, doesn't do a snap back, and it's it counts up to an hour essentially. Coming out to the bezel, got a nice thick bezel on top here. Let's remove this little bit of cover so you can have a better look at that. There you go. Full sort of stainless steel print in the side there, no sort of extra markings. Bezel is fixed in place. It's quite a big bezel. You get 100-meter water resistance with this, and you get flame fusion crystal going over the top of that. Couldn't tell you what that meant, just reading off the specs for you. So come around to the casing on the side. You've got a full sort of Invicta stainless steel casing with the Invicta print on the side there. One of the brands you do see commonly that has the Invicta print on the corner. Huge chronograph buttons, they're quite big, almost the size of my thumbnail. And a even bigger crown. It's one of the biggest crowns I've seen for some time. So let's have a look at the crown movement. Despite it being big, there's an element of strength to it and clarity when you're doing that first date dial. You can see there, it's nice and defined. And just the right amount of feedback for it. It does feel a little bit loose and not as heavy as some other ones, but I think that's just my personal preference. It might be your sort of thing, it might not be. It's a simple push down crown, not a screw down or anything like that. You've got a little bit of sort of mesh detailing on top of that crown as well. Quite a nice little touch. Overall, it stands out quite a thick watch really. So coming down to the strap. The strap is 26mm in width. It's quite a big strap. Yeah, so if you ever want to change it, it's quite a sporty style strap with this sort of X-like texture on here as well. Simple silicone strap. Going around the back, nice little groove here just to grip into the wrist. The grooves of the actual the actual windows are indented, so it fits nicely into the shape of the buckle. Speaking of the buckle has got a brushed finish on it with the Invicta embossed logo in the top there. A simple hinge to hold on to that, no sort of real strength to it, but it doesn't matter, that's just pickiness. Two silicone holders that are free roam. Often you get the first one that's fixed near the buckle, these two are completely free roam. Look at the back plate. You've got some access points to remove that strap if you ever wanted to. And here we go, we've got a better look at the back plate here as well. Quite a lot of information going on the back here. So there you go guys, that is the Invicta Speedway 20305 sitting next to a Luminox carbon seal.